Hi guys, welcome. In this video, we shall see the deployment of MicroStack. So now we shall see the prerequisites for the MicroStack deployment. So I'm going with the official documentation of Ubuntu. So here we can see what are the requirements for a single node deployment. So basically it is a snap-based installation, a single machine needed with a 16 GB RAM or more or multi-core processor with 50 GB free disk and Ubuntu 18.04 later. So next thing. So basically what we need a virtual machine. So now we shall create a virtual machine using the virtual box. So I'm creating a new machine. So I'm selecting go to machine new and name it as MicroStack. So giving the path. So this is the Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. So click on next. So they have asked for minimum 16 GB of RAM. Okay, then I will be giving 17 GB. Then create the virtual hard disk and let it be in the VDA format and click on next and dynamically allocated. Then next and give the space minimum 50 GB. So I am creating the virtual machine. Now they have asked for a multi-core processor. So I will be allocating 4 vCPUs. Then network be bridged. So then click on OK. Let us verify the RAM. Okay, it's 17 GB. Perfect. Then click on OK. Then start the virtual machine. So select the image. So I'm selecting the Ubuntu 20.04. Then click on start. So this will be checking all the files which are present in the ISO. So by the time it checks the file, we shall go with the like way to download VirtualBox and all those things. So to download the Ubuntu ISO image, just click Ubuntu 24.04 download. So you get with the first, go with the first link, then click on download. So you can see in the short time it will start downloading. So we can see it has been started to download. Okay, I'm pausing it. So for the VirtualBox, go with VirtualBox download. It's Oracle. It's of free of cost. So there you can go and download it. It's a normal procedure to install it. So we shall see what happened to virtual machine. 86%. So once it's started, it will ask for try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. So we will be going for installing the Ubuntu. So then click on continue. Then I go with the minimal installation. Then continue. Then it asks for the partition. So simply click on continue. So then select your location, then continue. So give your name. I'm giving my name. Then computer's name be MicroStack. So then choose the password. Here I'm giving admin as the password. So log in automatically. Then click on continue. So now guys, the installation is complete. Now we need to restart the virtual machine. And now we need to press enter. So guys, the installation is completely done. So we can skip.